Welcome to Copeland's Cuisine. Today we're going to show you how to make our smoked mac and cheese. First, I boiled a box of noodles, regular elbow noodles, and then I melted a stick of butter in it. Then I made the custard. First, I cracked 2 eggs. Added some heavy whipping cream. Mixed it up real good. I added some milk. Mixed it up a little bit more, and then I added a little bit more milk. Then I added Greek seasoning, some black pepper, mixed it up, and then I set it aside. And then I added some sour cream to the noodles. Made sure all of the noodles were covered. I added some shredded cheese. Right here I used some Colby Jack. And then I mixed it up. I like to mix the cheese in with the noodles while the noodles are still a little bit warm. That way they can kind of melt together. Then I add some Velveeta cheese sauce, which is the exact same thing as the Velveeta blocks, just already in a sauce form. Once the cheese is all incorporated with the noodles, I go ahead and pour it into the pan. And then I go ahead and add the custard. I want to work the custard into the noodle mixture. That way I know the custard is evenly distributed. And I know I have enough custard when it's all even across the top. So the purpose of the custard is to make sure the mac and cheese stays tender and doesn't dry out. Then I add some shredded cheese to the top. And this just gives it that gold crust that we like. Lastly, I add the paprika to the very top, and it pretty much just gives it a good color. We obviously need to get some more. And we pop it onto the smoker at 235 to 250. Cook it approximately 45 to 1 hour. And there you go. Here she is, our final product. Nico approved.
Are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
What's hot? What's that she's looking?